PewDiePie. Known worldwide for his comedy, his fame is far and wide. His real name is Felix Arvid Ulf Kjellberg. I have tried hard to create its logo here, you can also see it. PewDiePie is a very big name on YouTube, you must know about it. I am Humera Lake. My channel name is HLGRAPHICS. Let's go then start our work and create logo. The font I am using here is called Air Exterior. It is a very beautiful font. You can see how luxurious and unique it is. Create an outline first. And then we'll ungroup it. And the word comedy will separate it. And we will work on the first word. We'll start by focusing on the word PewDiePie. We'll ungroup the letters and experiment with their placement, arranging them in various directions such as forward, backward, up, and down. We'll also play with their dimensions, making some letters long and others wide. By mixing these elements together, we'll create a dynamic and visually interesting design. The type of typography I am describing, where the letters of a word are manipulated to be up and down, back and forth, small, big, thick, and thin, is often referred to as expressive typography or kinetic typography. This style of typography emphasizes the visual representation of text to convey emotion, movement, or a particular style, making the design more dynamic and engaging. Expressive typography transforms ordinary text into a visual masterpiece, capturing the viewer's attention through its dynamic and playful arrangement of letters. Each character becomes a brushstroke, contributing to an overall composition that is both aesthetically pleasing and impactful. By varying the size, weight, and orientation of the letters, expressive typography breathes life into words, turning them into art. This type of design not only communicates the message but also evokes emotions and sets a tone, making it a powerful tool in graphic design. Whether used in branding, advertising, or digital media, the beauty of expressive typography lies in its ability to make text visually captivating and memorable. In expressive typography you have to be very careful, take the next step, think carefully, make the words long and short where they look beautiful, mistakes happen again and again, but keep correcting them. The design gets better and better as your design gets completed, you will understand and you will create beauty in the design. There are many videos of logo designs on my channel, there are also many shorts, you will definitely get a chance to learn from them. If you want to make a video on something or on a logo, please let me know, thank you. Once we have the word PewDiePie as styled to our liking, we'll incorporate the word comedy into the design, ensuring it complements the playful and creative nature of the typography. This entire design will be created in a single color, emphasizing the simplicity and boldness of our concept. I'm going to put the word comedy in the blank space, but first I'm going to take a rectangle under it and put the word on top of it and I will click on the minus front, which is present in the Pathfinder. In this way, the word comedy will appear on this rectangle, and I will place it in the empty space. There are many methods of expressive typography. I have been doing this job for 14 years and I love it very much. When you work, do it with hard work and dedication. And if you have a hobby, it will definitely help you a lot in your work. You learn new things, learn new techniques, and improve your work. All the alphabets except comedy, we will go to the offset path and make it a bit thicker. Now it looks clearer and more beautiful. Set it up. Design is ready. Group them all. Now we'll move on to Photoshop. To bring our design to life and showcase its versatility, we'll use Photoshop to create a series of stunning presentations. These will include business card mockups, wall mockups, 3D mockups, golden mockups, and t-shirt mockups. Each presentation will highlight how our PewDiePie comedy typography design can be effectively used in different contexts, making it a perfect fit for various branding and promotional materials. Find a high-quality 3D logo mockup and download it. Open the PSD file in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, find the Smart Object layer where you need to place your logo. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail to open the template for your 3D logo design. Insert your logo design by dragging and dropping or copying and pasting it into the template. Save the Smart Object file by going to File as Save or pressing Ctrl+S, CMD+S on Mac. Close the Smart Object window/tab. Your logo should now appear as a 3D render in the main mockup file. Make any necessary adjustments to the 3D effects, lighting, and shadows to ensure the logo looks realistic. Save your final mockup image. Here I have shown you 2 types of 3D logo mockups that you can download for free, and you can easily get many such mockups. Now for the t-shirt mockup, the same approach will be followed which we have used for the logo mockup. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail to open the template for your t-shirt design. Insert your t-shirt design by dragging and dropping or copying and pasting it into the template. Your design should now appear on the t-shirt in the main mockup file. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the design looks realistic, e.g., blending mode, opacity. Save your final mockup image. Find a high-quality business card mockup, free or paid, and download it. Open the mockup file in Photoshop. It will usually be a PSD file. In the Layers panel, look for a layer named something like Your Design Here or Place Your Design. This layer will typically be a smart object, indicated by a small icon in the layer thumbnail. Double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. This will open a new window/tab in Photoshop with the template for your business card design. Replace the placeholder design with your own business card design. You can either drag and drop your design or copy and paste it into this window. Save it. Your design should now be visible on the business card in the main mockup file. Make any necessary adjustments, e.g., shadow, lighting, color. Save your final mockup image by going to File as Save As and choosing your desired file format. Tips for all mockups. Use high-resolution mockups. Pay attention to lighting and shadows. Customize as needed. Keep your layers organized. I have made many videos about mockups, please come to my channel and watch them. Thank you very much for watching the video and wait for my next video.